Let's begin lying back. Let the soles of the feet come together and open your knees wide. And just be heavy here. Close your eyes and start to deepen your breath. Let your inhales pull down to the base of your belly, and then experience a softening throughout your body with your exhales. Extend the left leg long and hug your right knee into your chest. Begin to slowly circle the right ankle in one direction. Now the opposite direction. Other side now. Extend the right leg long, left knee to chest. Circle the left ankle in one direction. Now the opposite direction. Draw the other knee up toward your chest. Hug the knees in. Grab behind your hamstrings and rock and roll up to a tabletop position. Align shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Slowly circle the hips in one direction. And now circle the hips in the opposite direction. Come back to a neutral spine. Walk your hands a few inches forward, root through the owls of your hands, tuck your toes, take a deep breath in. Exhale, down dog. Firm the hands into the mat and press the hips up and back. Maybe ease the heels toward the mat. Shift forward to plank, inhale. Knees to the mat, then exhale, bend the elbows straight back, lower all the way down. Push down through the tops of your feet and inhale to cobra. Lift your chest off the mat. Exhale, lower the chest back to the mat. Inhale, push up to tabletop. Tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Slowly walk the feet to the top of your mat for a forward fold. Bend your knees if you need to here. Just let the arms and head hang heavy. Bend the knees, then roll up to Tadasana. Inhale, circle sweep arms to sky, Urdhva Right hand to left forearm, exhale, tilt right. And inhale, arms up. Left hand to right forearm, exhale, tilt left. And arms back up, inhale. Exhale and spill over your legs, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Plant the hands, step back to plank. Lower your knees to the mat, and this time lower down just halfway on the exhale. Upward facing dog. Inhale, begin to straighten the arms. Push the chest forward as the knees lift off the mat. Down dog again. Tuck your toes, hips high. Inhale, right leg lifts up and away, three-legged dog. hips square, right hip down. Right foot forward, exhale, low lunge. Back heel down, rise up, warrior two. Star pose, right leg straightens, right toes face in. Inhale, arms overhead. Skandasana, back of mat, hands to prayer. Exhale, shift the weight to your left foot, bend your left knee. Reach the hips back as you reach the sternum forward. Wide-legged fold, shift your weight into both feet, legs straight. Exhale, hands to the mat. Bend your knees as much as you like, if that helps you find length in your lower back. Low lunge. Walk your hands to the front of your mat. Inhale, plank. This time, keep the knees lifted. Exhale, lower halfway down. Inhale, up dog. Knees lifted off the mat, shoulders back. Tuck your toes. Exhale, downward facing dog. Other side now. Inhale, send the left foot up and away from you, three-legged dog, hips square. Left foot forward, exhale, low lunge. Back heel spins down, warrior two, rise on up. Star pose, left toes face in, inhale, hands to high prayer. Skandasana, back of mat, hands to heart. Exhale, shift the weight to your right foot, right knee bends. Feel the left inner thigh lengthen. Exhale, wide-legged fold, both legs straight, hands to the mat. Long low back, bend your knees here if you need to. Low lunge. Stay folded. Crawl your hands to the top of your mat. Inhale to plank. Exhale, chaturanga, lower halfway down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Open your chest. Down dog, exhale. Slowly walk the feet up to meet the hands. Inhale and lift halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, find Tadasana. Stand tall. Inhale, find chair pose. Bend your knees deeply, reach your arms tall, and sink your hips low. Exhale, twist right. Revolve chair. Connect left tricep to right outer thigh. Push the palms into each other to rotate the chest even more to the right. Forward fold. Let the arms hang heavy. Inhale and lift halfway. Hands down, step back, move through your vinyasa. Walk the feet up to meet the hands. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale to fold. Inhale back to chair pose. Exhale, twist left, revolve chair, Connect right tricep to left thigh. Keep the hips low and press elbow into thigh even more. Forward fold. Release completely down. Stay folded. Bend the left knee, twist right and sweep the right arm high. Maybe take the gaze up beyond the right fingertips. Lower the right hand back to the mat. Other side. Bend the right knee, twist left, left arm sweeps up. Maybe gaze up and look toward the left fingertips. Lower the left hand back down to the mat. Inhale to a halfway lift. Hands down, step back, take a vinyasa. Now lower the knees and come to a seat on your mat. Find staff pose, both legs straight. Take a breath in. Exhale, hinge from the hips, low back long, yearn the sternum forward and fold over the legs. Focus on keeping the low back long here, which means you might not fold very far forward. You might even need to bend your knees a bit. Rise back up. Make your way onto your back. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Cross your right ankle over your left knee for figure 4 stretch. Flex the right foot. Grab behind your left hamstring and gently pull it in. Let the hips sink heavy into the mat and let the shoulders be soft. Other side now. Left ankle over right knee, left foot flexed. Then pull the legs in towards your chest. Draw the right leg in closer and feel a stretch in the outer left hip. Uncross the legs and pull the knees closely into your chest. Before we end, if there's any other pose you'd like to do, like a twist or a happy baby, take some time for that now. And then whenever you're ready, relax into Shavasana by extending the arms and legs long. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.